First time driving the M5. 550 on deck.
Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Posty. We're doing something a little different today. As you may see, we're in the airport right now in Detroit, and we're currently on our way to Salt Lake City since we have a layover flight. Salt Lake City. But we're going to be going to California for a wedding for some of our close friends, so it should be a good time. We'll get some good scenery in. We're renting a car as well. I'm not exactly sure what kind of car, but we'll see when we get there. I'm a little out of breath. Been sprinting. I brought the PlayStation, brought the Switch, brought the DS, got the whole thing. So yeah, gotta check in with you guys.
I like cars too. Restoring that. So 3000 GT.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
Machine.
I'll show you. Yeah, those are, you putting a turbo in it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna start natural, aspirated. Well, you know, no turbo, non-turbo, whatever.
Yeah.
And then, because I'm doing like a full thing, like I'm taking it clear down, just really
Rebuilding the whole
rebuilding.
thing.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So if I still like it and still interested, I'll do a turbo one.
Yeah, for sure. Those are fun little like drift cars. Alright, we're back. We're actually in San Jose now. I didn't get a chance to vlog in Salt Lake City because as soon as we touched down, we had to make our connecting flight and it was already boarding. So here we are on the back end of things. It's about, what, close to 3 o'clock our time back at home, close to midnight here. I'm tired. I'm dehydrated, but I'm ready to get it in. It's a beautiful night. It's like 70 something, like no wind. It's perfect.
Full moon.
Full moon. Yep, full moon on Friday the 13th. What do you know? So it turns out we got to rent a brand new Jeep Compass. I'll tell you what, first reaction, these seats are a lot harder than the Grand Cherokee seats. I don't know, it feels like I'm sitting on like a rock bench or something. This mug is stiff. I mean, we got the big screen on here, you already know. We got the USB port here. What do we got? Anything in here? Nothing. Nothing. This is honestly just more of a bare bones in a little bit smaller Jeep Cherokee. How's that steering wheel feel, Michelle?
Good.
Good?
Similar to mine.
Similar to yours. Is your seat as hard as mine?
Yes.
Oh.
Way harder than our car.
Yeah, I'm not with this. I found the traction control off button, so you already know. We're gonna have to put it through its paces. We gotta figure out what does a new Jeep Compass do. And if anybody's gonna do it, why not us? Alright, so I'm in the new Jeep Compass. This thing is pretty nice, but we're gonna see what it does in terms of performance. You know, we gotta hit the traction control off. Maybe press and hold. There we go, traction control on, traction control off. Alright, let's see what kind of power this thing can put down. Okay. Not bad. Got a little pickup to it, you know. Get out here on the open road and see what's going on with it. She got a little push, that little 6-cylinder engine on her. Okay, I like it, I like it. I probably have to give it a 2 out of 5 on the acceleration. There's a lot of lag when you put your foot down to the pedal. But once it kicks in, the numbers do climb pretty nice. I'll give it that. Definitely ain't no M3. Definitely ain't even the Grand Cherokee. I'll give you that. These seats, like I said, these seats are hard. I don't know, the Grand Cherokee seats are pretty nice, but these, man, these are like, Fred Flintstone's car seats, how they made out of stone. That's exactly what this reminds me of. Out here in California, it's Tesla Nation. Almost every other car is a Tesla out here. But then again, we are in Silicon Valley, so you know there's money all over the place out here, boy. Nice. Have the gray with the black rims.
And it's like mattified.
Yeah. It's actually the same color wrap as Edward Sharp's, I believe. Shout out to whoever you are, 1992 M3, baby. I got a fellow Alpine white E90 M3 out here. That thing is beautiful.
What I can, let me know.
Yeah. Like you just say like I want one please. Even better like the city of Seattle wanted to say like
How you guys doing? Good. Nice V10 M5, baby. We got hang gliders over here, bro. I don't even think I've ever seen someone hang glide before. That's crazy.
That's so cool.
Dang.
That's so cool. Never seen
That is sick. I had never seen that before. life that will carry you home. Definitely do. This big ass yacht over there. That's ridiculous. And then off over there you can see Alcatraz.
Yeah, in downtown San Francisco, such a nice view of it right there.
Yeah. Wow.
Hustler beats on the track.
It's wicked on the beats.
What do you think about Alcatraz being over there? Isn't it kind of weird to like actually see it like?
Kind of cool.